Hello, my dear student. In our last class, we have made one project that is automatic doorbell systems. So over there, I found that some of the students told that the sound was not clear. So that's why today I am repeating that project once again for betterment for audio through. Okay. So let's start the project. Create new project here. This is the workspace over which we can work. Now take one Arduino Uno. This is your Arduino Uno. Now take one breadboard. Now connect plus 5 volt the breadboard as I mentioned every time. It's a good practice. Change the color, make it red, then black for ground. Change the color here. For the breadboard is down. Now take one PIR sensor. Okay, what is that? PI sensor means passive infrared sensor. Okay. A passive infrared sensor basically is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from an object, and that is its field of view. So they are most often used in PIR-based motion detectors. PIR sensors are also commonly used in security alarms and automatic lighting applications. So here basically we are going to use PIR sensor for automatic door system. Mainly within that PIR sensor, pyroelectric sensors are there. Pyroelectric means it can measure the change of temperature between electricity. So that's the basic principle. So now see, this is your PIR sensor. Three pins are there. One is your signal. Okay. Second is your power, and third is ground. So this is your power. So connect it to the plus 5 volt power supply. Simple circuit is there. Nothing to worry about that. This is ground potential. Make it black. Okay. Now this is the signal. So it, because one more thing I want to say, this PI sensor basically a digital sensor. Okay, so that means it always say either 0 or 1. Okay, if objects are there, so that means it will send you 1 value. No object found, it will send 0. So the signal pin is connected to pin number 2 for this digital icons. Now change the color, make it orange. Okay. Now coming to the coding part. Whether this sensor is working or not. Coding. So this block is this, then you will understand how codes are generated with the blocks. As soon as we place the block, correspondingly code will be generated. So this is your basic C++ code here. This is basic building block. Now, as soon as we are putting any sort of blocks in this space, then codes will automatically be generated. So that's why I chosen the blocks plus text. If you choose only blocks, so no code will be available. Only blocks will be visible here. So make it block plus text. Now, what is our aim? Our aim is to detect, check whether the sensor is running perfectly or not. So, for that, you have to check this pin. Okay. This pin number 2, whether this is uh, working or not. That you have to understand. And you have to plot that in the using serial monitor. So read digital. Okay, this is the block. This is digital. So what is the pin number? See here. Pin number 2 is being used for digital. So maybe pin number 2. So pin number 2 is here. Now you have to measure that. Okay. So for printing, we need to this. So print is pin mode 2 is input. Serial begin 9600. Divide loop. Serial dot println digital read. So whatever at pin number 2 will be printed here. So that's a digital read. In the, so, so it's giving you 0 volt because no objects are there. Okay. So for betterment, stop the simulation, make it in blocks. Okay. Now start the simulation. Now see, I'm changing this position. So this is one. So someone is approaching to the sensor. Okay. So motion is there. So if it is motion, it will give you always one. So if someone is coming to the sensor, so in some particle is uh, moving, so it will give you one. Okay, so someone is approaching to your door. So in that case, your uh, so up to this, we found that our sensor properly work. Now, okay, now we can use one LED or buzzer, whatever you can use. Now, if someone is present, okay, someone is coming to the sensor. Okay. So in that case, value will be high, and if someone is coming to the sensor, in that case, your LED will grow. Okay. So that's why you have to use soft simulation. You can use buzzer also. Okay. You can use buzzer also. You can use LED also. Okay. So let us take one LED. So let us will take one buzzer. Okay. So this is piezo buzzer. Message here. So one is negative, so make it ground. Change the color here. And this pin basically your positive pin. That's corrected. Change the color here. Now, now what is the case? If something is there, if anything object is detected here, then your bell will. Okay. So that means you have to use here one if else condition. Okay. So if else. And already I told you here one need one mathematical formula. So now what you have to place here? You have to place the reading of the sensor. That is this. And place it. Okay. So pin number 2, if it gives you one value, then क्या होगा? So this bell will do. That means this buzzer will do. So take that block, place speaker. So put here. So place speaker on pin. In which pin speaker is connected? Pin number 4. Pin number 4 is connected. So change this pin number. Okay, it will run for. Okay, now see here. Come to the code and block and text. Something I have to mention here. See that one. If digital read pin 2 is less equal to negative, So equal to 1, equal to 1, then buzzer will. So that means tone at 4. 4 means pin number 4 is connected where the buzzer is connected. 5 to 3. 5 to 3 is the frequency. Okay, the frequency of the tone. Okay, that is. So if you change 60, if you make it some other value, so that 533 hertz will change and 1000. Okay, 1000. Sorry. This is your for 1 second. Okay, this is for 1 second. Okay. So that is showing you 1 second. Okay, so it will run for 1 second. Okay, you can change it. Okay. You can change it. So correspondingly, it's in this file. So, so in that way, programming also changes. Okay. So now, so this programming is completed now. Now we can run the program. We can simulate the program. So that's we change there. So no buzzer is there. So now if you change the value, so see here buzzer is ringing, buzzer is ringing. So sound is throwing. Okay, so again changes. So see here. So that is the case. So it's a simple programming, nothing worry about that. Okay. So with that, we can use that buzzer will also be there and one LED will also glow if someone is approaching to the sensor. So in that case, we can use one LED. Okay. So let us take simultaneously. We are taking the LED here. Okay, this is here. So this is negative thing, that's the ground rate. On resistor, the resistor here. Change the value, it should be ohms and value should be 2 ohms. Now connect it somewhere. Pin number 5, change the color here. So put here, make it block plus text. So what I told you, if sensor value is 1, speaker will ring as well as LED will glow. So in that case, you have to use here uh, this set pin, which pin number 5, set pin number 5 have. Yeah. So stop the simulation code. So see here, I have shown you digital write pin number 5 high if this is equal to 1. So that means LED will glow. Pin number 5 getting high. And pin number 5 LED is applied. Now take only blocks. Now simulate. LED glowing. So when someone is coming, approaching, when the somebody is moving, okay, or approaching to the sensor, so LED will be glowing. If it is fixed, so it will be off. See, the serial monitor. It is 0 now, so it will be 0. So in that case, you have to take if else condition. See here, raise remains on. Okay, that means if this is 0, then what will happen? I will not show here. So for that, you have to apply if then else condition. So see, my dear students, I am this removing as a whole. Okay, I am just deleting it. Okay, now we take if then else condition. If then else condition. Okay, now take mathematical operation here. This we have to take credit, paste it here, make it equal to 1. Then what will happen? Buzzer will ring and with that LED will go. So if this one, turn on speaker, play speaker, in which pin speaker is connected? Speaker is connected at pin number um, 4, I think. Yes, pin number 4 is, you know, with that LED will glow. So that means set pin number 5 high, because pin number 5 having the LED. Else क्या होगा? Else duplicate, sorry, make it duplicate and paste else position. I will be low. Okay. So now start the simulation. So see, sound is there and LED also glow. Now see, as soon as 0 comes, LED is off. So this is the project by which you can implement AI sensor road system. Lots of applications of AI sensor there, automatic car parking. Also there you can use. So this is all about your usefulness of or application of AI sensor. So once again you can see this code also. So for that, you can stop the simulation and or you can use this same code for future use or real time one. So I think you don't have any doubt. I mentioned everything here. So this line basically showing you the digital data or the sensor data. Here the conditions if then else. If condition is that the digital pin or the sensor pin giving you high value, one value, then means the someone is coming to the sensor. In that case, your buzzer will ring for 1 second with 523 hertz and your LED will also glow. If no one is there, so in that case, your speaker will be off. Okay. So now see, if you change this value 60 to 70, then see, let's see what happens. So that is 932 hertz. So if you change this value, correspondingly the frequency has been changed. See here, the 70, play to 70 means 932 hertz. So make it 60. Suppose keep it 50. So 50 means 294 hertz. So keep it 60 means. So this is the case. Last time once again simulating is there. Sensor is zero value. No buzzer is creating any noise or sound, and LED also off. Now the sensor. So LED is on. Sound is created by this buzzer or speaker. Okay. Then again comes 0, so LED is off, speaker is also off. So this is all about your today's project. Thank you very much.